Good morning.
The Bank of Canada governor was already likely to lower the key lending rate. Then the tariff war began.
We are now facing a new crisis. The economic impact could be severe. The uncertainty alone is already causing harm. This is a very fluid situation.
The words uncertain or uncertainty used 25 times during the 44-minute briefing.
An uncertainty about the Canada-U.S. trade relationship, costs related to both uncertainty. The uncertainty itself, pervasive uncertainty. There's quite a bit of uncertainty.
Now at 2.75%, there's still wiggle room for the bank to further cut the rate if it needs to temper inflation in the months ahead. But it can only do so much.
Monetary policy cannot offset the impacts of a trade war.
All of that uncertainty already affecting consumer and business confidence.
Is it going to be applied for a week, a day, a month, or is it, kind of a permanent policy that would really throw the economy into recession? So I think this is all of the anxiety that we're dealing with.
Silver snow.
Count Brian Hamlin among the anxious. His comic book shop bracing for a potential tariff double whammy.
Comics, for the most part, are printed in Canada and then shipped to the States and then shipped back to us. So it's kind of a minefield figuring out they're actually going to be impacted and how they're going to be impacted.
Much of his stock has to be ordered months ahead. And he has no idea if April's issues are going to arrive with surprise charges.
If all of a sudden our bills are, our invoices are like 25 or 50% more, or I truly don't really know what we do in that scenario, but it's kind of, we just have to plow forward.
And hope as Canadians tighten their purse strings.
I just don't sleep very well.
It doesn't also strangle his sales. Katie Nicholson, CBC News, Toronto.